Hello and welcome. Today I will show you how to make not exactly the same because there's just a couple of textures and a box or something and a barrel, but this snow. So if you want this exact scene, I have it in my Discord so you can download it and be happy, so you can maybe figure out what exactly I've done. But let's go to not blank scene but to exactly this scene but without snow. And here we are. The basic scene is actually looking pretty bad. We have a couple of random stuff I made very quickly, as well as a wonderful random grass texture with a couple of hairs on top of that, which is not looking so pretty. And yeah, the first thing is now we have to get a little add-on which is already installed in Blender, so you don't have to get anything. So you just have to go preferences, type in snow, and enable object real snow. So the first thing is I actually kept the ground because my wonderful plane I made this one, it's on two planes, one for the grass, one for the stuff, has a decent amount of polygons and it can calculate a decent amount of time. So we're just gonna cheat a little bit. So yeah, we have wonderfully, if we press N, our wonderful menu will go up. We have here the real snow. We have different options here. We can go for the coverage, how many percent of this should be covered in snow, as well as how big it is, and if you want to go for everything or just the selected faces. If I just now go for this thing, it would also just go for selected faces or just everything. So let's add a bunch of stuff. First one, there we go, snow on this stuff. Let's go for this one. Go for 80, high 20, and add snow. A barrel. Let's go for full and make it and make it 0.37. So then covered in snow. And we got this bunch of palettes. This case we could use a little different because not everything should be covered in snow. So I have wonderful subdivided them. So we're gonna select all these stuff here. We're gonna add it out. We're gonna select the faces. And we add snow. There we go. Also, this one has a bunch. This also has a bunch of, stuff you want to customize. So this is the whole node group for the snow. So you can customize everything you want. So even the color and everything. So yeah, I hope you liked it. It's pretty simple looking good. Till next time.